Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is not turning on. Let's get started, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, try to check if all of the charging cables or adapters are fully working. It can seem normal, but for example under this protection some of the cables can be broke. As a second step, try to charge your watches. Sometimes the watches can be that low as battery, so they even won't show you that they need to be charged. Try to charge them for at least 30 minutes. So, step number 3, you can try restart your watch. There is a way how to restart your watch without contacting with the screen. And that's, you need to hold these two buttons until you will see on your screen that your watch is rebooting. Let me show you how it looks. When you see the Samsung logo, you can see under it text that rebooting and 3 dots. That means that your watch started restarting and in few seconds it will turn on back. And now step number 4. Make sure that all of the charging supplements are original and they are matching your device. Because for example, you may accidentally buy charging cable which is the same brand as your watch, but it's for a different model. Or the power adapter is not original, or the cable too, because sometimes the unoriginal cables and adapters may just work wrong. The step number 5 is make sure that both of the buttons are in their default position and they are not plugged in like you are holding them. And now pay attention to the default position of the buttons. On this home button you should be able to see this red circle around it. And on the second button it should look the same as the home button but without the red color. And now it's the last step which can help solve your problem. That's temperature. Make sure that in your environment is not too cold or too hot for your device, because sometimes the devices are not even able to warn you that it's not normal temperature for them to be able to work and they will just turn off. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.